friends, how are you? This is Dr. Archana Pandey. Welcome back to my channel. Sorry for being late because मेरा एक last parcel जो आज ही just receive हुआ was from the clinic. So I just gambled all the things, सब चीज़ें इकट्ठा की, and I'm here with a video like what all things I purchased from the Nykaa Pink Friday sale, or else you can say from the various Black Friday sales which was going on the websites. So without wasting much time, let's get into the video. Guys, you just need to sit down and have something to eat or what, because there are many products. Like you can see, like I have collected all the products in a, you can say, a basket, so that it will be easier for me to grab and just share with you. So first of all, starting with the first product which I received just today, that is by the Clinique. We all know this brand, like it is well known for their moisturizer and everyone. So this is the moisturizer, because this was there in my wish list since so long, but I could able to purchase on this Black Friday sale. So this is the moisture, which is, I think this is a bottle of, I think 50 grams I can say. Yes, and the price it costed me after discount is 1650. I'll mention all the prices on this screen as well. We all know the moisture of Clinique, like I have not yet opened, so soon I'll be sharing the reviews. Now we all know, like if you're buying something very costly or high-end brands, we get some free samples. So this is the gift I got from the Clinique. So it contains of, that is, there are total 5 different products. The first one is their exfoliator. This is the exfoliator lotion. Then second, what I have is their moisturizer, or you can say a bowl lotion. And the next one what I have is their cleansing face wash. This is around a travel size, so it is good to carry. And one mini mascara, right, really a good. And the last product what I have is their lipstick, and it is a very nude type shade. If I can just swatch it for you guys, it's really very nudish color, if you can see. So I just love the texture as well, and along with that I received 2 different pouches as well. So this is the first product what I have with me. Second product what I have is one of the most famous, you can say, the products, that is by the L'Oreal. Their kit, it was like a combo like this. So this is, first of all, is their face wash. Like I have started using them since 1 week, and soon I'll be sharing the review as well. So those who don't follow me on Instagram, this is my Instagram handle. Please follow. You will get all the regular updates and the reviews of different products I do try out. So this is their first hyaluronic face wash. Then I add up this 1.5 hyaluronic acid serum. As you can see, I have used this much. And then we have this Revitalid cream. It really gives a very soothing, like this is the texture, if you can see, it's really good. So this also I got it around 600 or something in Nykaa Pink Friday sale. The third thing what I purchased in a combo is this mini kit by Innisfree and Gurpreet Verdi. So it is their mini bestseller duo, because it contains of this green seed serum, okay, green tea serum, and there is a face mask. So if I'll just open it for you, like I have not yet used it because presently I'm using the L'Oreal one. So this is the serum bottle, how it looks off. It's really good, and I especially like this color. See, it's really very soothing. And the other one is their super volcanic pore clay mask. So it also comes like in a tub, and I think quantity is quite good, like it is 20 ml. Color is like this. I'll be now trying and sharing my review. Along with that, I also received same thing but in a pouch. So this also costed me around, I think 600 to 700, not more than that. One of the product from high-end brand, like if you can see the packaging as well, it says like it's from high-end brand, and it's none other than favorite, that is the Smashbox. This is a lipstick box which comes in a case like this. It will open like this, so cute. And these are the 4 different shade what it has, and it costed me around, the MRP, the price was 2200, but it costed me just 1200. So if you calculate it also, I think one lipstick is just for 350 around, and the shades are really good. Like if I just swatch it for you guys, very nudish type shade, if you can see. The name of the shade is Yes Honey. We all know the Smashbox is having really good collection for lipsticks, right? So if I'll just swatch it here, see if you can see in the camera, and let it dry. It get mattified after drying, and it is going to be long lasting. Like I have two to three lipsticks of Smashbox as well. I have been using them. One is their boyish and the other one is also something nude. This is the shade Role Model. It is somewhat, you can say, pinkish to reddish type, like if you can see, wine type something. Then next what I have in the red shade, but it is not boys, it is Bang Bang. What I have is the other one. This is the red something orange, or you can say the coral like shade is there. And the last lipstick is, it's somewhat maroon type, if you can see, and the name of the shade is Misconduct, right? So it is somewhat you can say very maroon to, you can say, plummy shade, like so if I'll just show all the 4 shades, they are really good. And actually the size is this much, so suppose if you're traveling or something, it's good to carry. Like you have to just pop it, these all 4 shades in your bag, and you're good to go, because you'll get all nudes to red and brown. What I bought this time is Love Beauty and Planet. This is their shampoo, and this is the conditioner that is in the variant Murmur Butter and Rose Aroma, because I have heard a lot of reviews about this. And you know, if you can see, my hair has got a little bit dry. I don't know why, due to weather or something. Or recently I had a hair spa in a Lakme salon, but after that I'm not feeling really good with my hairs. So I thought of changing my shampoo and this. So soon I'll be sharing the review of these as well. And I also purchased of this. This is the M Caffeine, their new launch. We all know that is their coffee. So those who are a coffee lover like me, they cannot ignore this. So I have not yet used it, like I have to use it. I actually purchased before the sale, but after that the sale was live, but there's just a difference of 100 rupees, like if you can see. It feels like as if I can drink it, right? So if you can see the texture, it's so liquidy. How can I show you guys? It will get fallen down. So only disadvantage what I feel is it's opening whole lid. So I think quantity maintained will not be there, because if we pour it like this, I think there'll be a lot of wastage. But yes, one thing what I like is this. So I think after finishing this, I'll be using this mug. And along with that, I got some freebies as well. So these are the freebies what I got. This is their cocoa body butter. I finished off with the higher version, like 50 ml की bottle मैं already last year winters में मैंने खत्म कर दी. ये उनका coffee scrub, like I purchased this, and as well as the polishing oil. Like you can see, I have not opened. So these are the freebies what I got. As I mentioned, like I have some little hair issues. मेरे बाल थोड़े dry हो गए. So मैंने इस के बारे में बहुत अच्छे reviews सुने थे by L'Oreal Paris Extraordinary Oil. It is having infused, a good serum, like everyone claimed of. So I have just started using it, but really it's a good one. Like if I'll just demonstrate over here only, like if I just take a very tiny, if I take this amount, so it's really giving a good shine. If I can just show you over here only, like if you can see, right, it really helps in managing my hair. And you know, I think with this only I'll be like able to control this frizziness or the drying what I have in my hair. Also, it is a very good smell, and that stays in hair for long. So I would say you can just try it out. And I purchased in Nykaa sale as well. Many of you wanted me to review liquid blushers as winters are here, so we all love that cheeks and you know, with that smoke glowy-ness. So I have the hands on this one. This is by the Makeup Super Dewy and Makeup Revolution ka hai ye, and it is a liquid blusher. And the shade what I have is You Got Me Blushing. I'll add the clip here, and presently I'm also wearing right now, right? It gives a really good one and it blends like a butter, you know. Even you can use it on the eyelid as well if you want. Very tiny amount is needed, and go for it, guys. But then I just thought of trying, like I'm not a big user of concealers because that's okay, what I have on my face is going to be there, right? But I just thought of trying this Insight concealer, that is 2x concealer master. The tube you can see so long, and I think it just costed, it came under 100 rupees, and it has this applicator as well. And if I'll just show you the consistency, it is really good, like if you can see. And it also blends. I'll not say it is a very good concealer, but yes, if you're a beginner, you can definitely check this out just to see, because as you can see, it's not going to cover so much, but yes, little bit coverage is there. So for a beginner, how to use concealers, you can definitely give it a try. Then a few products I purchased from the Plum app as well. So the first one is their body mist, that is Huamin Rumba. As you can see, I have been using this because I couldn't shoot the video before this one, and this spray is having so fine mist, like if you can see, right? And it smells so good, like I can't tell you guys, it is having a flowery smell and you'll feel fresh, you know, all day long. And the second product what I purchased is the kajal, because you know, I recommend this kajal only because it is so long lasting and so jet black, right? So this is one of my personal favorite. Like I have used more than 5 to 6 pencils, and yes, it came along with a sharpener. Yes, and the third product what I have is this is the Plum Candy Melt. This is the vegan lip balm. Like it comes in a cute packaging like this, and what I've ordered is the, I think, red velvet, and I'll add the image here because I'm not getting the tub because I'm using right now. I think I got all these things in just 800 to 850 because there was some offer going on Plum website. So guys, to know what offers are going on, which product and all, you need to follow me on Instagram so that you get updated, because I keep sharing the stories there, right? These were the few purchases of mine from Nykaa this year, or you can say the Black Friday sales, and the reviews in detail I'll be sharing soon. And stay tuned, and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. It soon we're gonna be a family of 1K, right? So thank you so much for watching me. Thank you once again.